Imagine if today somebody gave you a check for $1 million and you went to deposit it in the bank. The bank said,
Great. This will clear in the next 10 business days because it's a big check and the bank has to process it.
so for the following days, you'd be walking around with this high energy, outputting into the universe. You'd feel wealthy, abundant, happy, excited, and satisfied. As a result, living from that level of energy would produce all these other experiences that are on the same level of excitement and abundance. Even though you don't have a dollar to spend yet, you'd just be walking around all that time, knowing that you're going to get that $1 million check, but nothing really changed. It's just that you gave yourself permission to feel those positive emotions. Now, I want you to go deep within yourself and manifest whatever goal, condition, or feeling you want to make a reality. All you need to do is give yourself permission to accept what is meant